In this video, we're challenging Iranian National Champion to badminton, and you're gonna make me regret it, right?
No.
No. Today, we're joined here by Melika. You're a former Iranian National Junior Champion.
Yeah, and then I've been to Indonesia, Dubai, like Denmark, and all around the world.
Hear that, Franklin? You're gonna get wrecked, man. Do you still train sometimes, or what?
Yeah, I still train sometimes.
Okay.
I'm player and I'm coach here.
Oh, you
basically.
still train?
Yeah, I still train.
Okay, then you shouldn't lose to us, right?
I try my best.
I don't train at all.
Come on.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Hey, 0-0. Wow. Bro, what was that? Look at that stance. Oh my God. She's gotta, oh, she's fast. A little bit too fast. Oh, good control. Okay, she's not bad. Wow, okay. Half courts. Oh my God. Oh my God. So, she obviously plays a lot. Her touch is so good. Oh, gas. Ooh, that's a good one. Wow. Is that out, Franklin? Wow. Oh my God, good defense. Ooh. Okay. So obviously you have really good backcourt shots, right? Your clears and your pushes in the back. I'm gonna break down your gameplay right now, and then I'm gonna play all of your weaknesses in a play against you.
That's gonna be so hard.
Yeah, good defense too. Oh my God. Oh. Franklin, are you okay? Okay.
Sorry, Frank.
Wow, look at that commitment. Why is this just like no rallies? What's the score?
5-9.
5-9? It's like you guys only play for 2 minutes and it's 5-9? 6-9. Wow. She like this and look when she's at that. She turns her head. Oh my God. Oh my God. Interval. Like, what do you think Franklin's weakness is?
I think he's so nervous now.
Nervous? Are you nervous?
I think he's nervous.
No, that's his personality traits. He was like born nervous. You're not locked in? I'm not locked in. Okay. I think you're gonna be the fastest women's singles player I play in Vancouver.
Oh, God,
you look
that
so
means a lot
fast.
to me. Thank you so
Well,
much.
it doesn't mean you're good. It just means you're fast.
Yeah.
Come on, Franklin. Make her move. More consistent. If you're gonna smash, go for like only winners, not just rally smashes.
Nice.
Wow! My coaching is next level. Holy. 7-11. Winner. I jinxed it? You want me to yell loser next time? Nice. Oh, it's good. Wow. Nice. Control. Oh, wow. What a shot. That's the one. Nice. Ooh. Good shot. Oh my God. Signature Franklin, king of throw. Flat clears. Those are punishable. That's punishable too. I'm gonna punish all of those when I play her. Outside. You're wild. Rushing too much on the net. Useless. Useless. These fast shots are all useless. Too fast. Useless.
Thank you.
Nice. Out. Out. Ooh, 6-7. Tight. Didn't hold it. Good hold. That was beautiful. He just missed it. I really hate her forehand. Okay. Okay. It's big. Nice. That guard. Oh. What the hell?
Nice shot.
Oh my god.
Amazing.
Is this the first time Franklin's clutching? King of throws.
Game point, right?
Yeah. All right, let's see. Do you have a curse? Then maybe you should stop playing badminton. Oh, 20 all. Let's see if Franklin can clutch this. I don't know. No reward. Oh, very steady. Wow, that is the opposite of clutch. It's right there. Okay. Franklin's literally gonna get points by last year. Just look how focused Melika is. Franklin just like, whatever. Just scrambling. Scrambling. That's so by luck. Malika's actually like locked in and you're just scrambling around. That was, oh my god.
1-1.
Holy. Oh my, can't believe. Oh my god. Here we go. Okay. Yay!
I'm so happy to win. He done his best. That was a so close match. He just missed. He probably won. I think that was a close match, and it was fun.
Melika, you take a break. Let me warm.
Even after a really long warm-up, I was really nervous because Melika was extremely fast and I wasn't sure if I could beat her with my strategy or not.
We'll be using our Air 2 Owen shuttlecocks. Affiliate link down below. Whew. Okay. Oh man. Wow. Why is it funny? That's what I do. That's my style.
Yeah.
Win points, but not winning points. Outside. What is that?
How's our strategy working right now?
That was so not working.
Was that? Five, 3. Oh, why did I miss that one? Ankle
So
breaker.
lucky.
Can't jump, unfortunately. Too old. So damn tiring.
Melika.
Mistakes. Oh, how dare you! Wow, that's so rude.
Franklin, who's our money on?
I think still on Aylex.
What's my name? What's my name? Why is it funny? Why is it funny? What's my name? What the hell? You're not welcome back here anymore.
Nice shot. I didn't see that there.
Yeah, that's part of my style. Invisible shot. Ooh, 10-7. Ooh, it's kind of tiring. What? Wow, what a waste.
Ay, Diamond.
11A, interval.
Most of the shots right now are clear. It's like 80%, 70% clear. It's like I feel like you're difficult shots. As long as you just keep clearing it and keep the rally going, he's on fire.
All you did was tell me she keeps clearing you, and then you tell her keep clearing him. You're doing cross-contamination info?
Hey, Melika, no. Nice shot.
I know her shot patterns now. Just have to get there before she hits it. Oh.
I made you.
Half court.
Easy, easy.
16-9. Cross tap. See? All right.
What a touch.
$19.9.
Nice.
Thank you. Oh, no.
What a fair.
Ah, thank
Good
you,
game.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So, what do you think is the main difference playing me versus playing Franklin?
I feel like you were more confident. You had more control on the shot properly.
Yeah.
You know exactly what you're doing. And then frankly, I feel like at the first you don't have any control on your shot. You play so nervous. You do have a lot. I feel like extra movement. Like if for me, it feels like you spin around. You don't know what you're doing. But at the end, you were more confident. When you find the chance, you attacking. I lose the point. Yeah. That's
cool.
all I think.
When I played against you, you're so fast. There's no way I can play fast against you. And also your pushes to the back are so good. I'm so out of position. But after I started watching for a little bit more, then it got a lot easier.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, well, thank you so much for coming on our channel. Are you gonna come back and challenge us again?
For sure, that's my
Okay.
pleasure. I was so happy to play
Yeah.
you and thank you to play with me.
Sounds
It
good.
was like pleasure
Okay.
to be here.
Yes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out our next video over here.
Thank you guys.